Many couples hesitate to seek medical help when facing sexual difficulties. I completely understand visiting a clinic can feel intimidating, and intimacy issues are deeply personal. That's exactly why I created the Comprehensive DIY Fertility Kit, Malpani Baby Kit, a private, safe, and affordable way to help couples take the first step toward conception from the comfort of their own home. The kit is simple to use and comes with everything you need. It includes a self-insemination device that helps you place sperm inside the vagina effectively. It also has a penile vibratory stimulator, which can help men who experience difficulty with ejaculation or erectile dysfunction. To ensure safety and sperm health, the kit also contains non-toxic condoms for semen collection. Each component comes with clear, detailed instructions so you can perform the process confidently and correctly without any external assistance. This kit is ideal for couples who want to maintain their privacy while addressing fertility challenges. It offers a way to take control of your fertility journey before considering more invasive or expensive medical treatments. Now, while clinical procedures can have higher success rates, this kit is an excellent starting point for many couples. It's especially helpful for those dealing with performance anxiety, physical discomfort, or simply looking for a discreet option to begin trying for pregnancy. It's a small investment that can make a big difference for couples looking for a practical and comfortable solution. You can order your kit directly online. The link is given in the description. If you've used the kit and still find it challenging to conceive, please don't get disheartened. Fertility can be complex, and sometimes further evaluation is necessary. You can always reach out for a free second opinion by uploading your reports on our website. And if you would like personalized advice, you can also book a video consultation with me. Every couple deserves a chance to build their family with dignity, comfort, and confidence. Start your journey today with the Comprehensive DIY Fertility Kit, because the first step toward parenthood doesn't always have to begin in a clinic.